Hi, and welcome to Opm Connect. I'm Naomi Francis. Today, we continue to look at how the budget for the 2023-2024 financial year will impact you. For the past 6 years, the government has announced no new taxes.
And I'm happy, Madam Speaker, that the conversation has moved from quarreling over taxation. Because, Madam Speaker, 8 years ago, 9 years ago, a decade ago, when previous budgets were being read, the presentation by the Minister of Finance and by the Prime Minister was that the cupboard was empty. The cupboard empty, there's nothing in the cupboard to argue over. So it is clear that progress has been made. There is something to argue over, to be shared.
17 years of tax measures, Madam Speaker. Not one of these papers have we introduced in 6 years, Madam Speaker. We went through a pandemic. We lost 15 years of revenues, or $75 billion. Unlike many governments in this region and around the world, we took our commitment to people seriously, and we managed the crisis and the recovery without introducing any new taxes, Madam Speaker.
So now then, what does this really mean to you, for your household, your community, your business, and the wider Jamaica?
A lot of people went underground and informal because of the tax burden. And what was happening in the 1990s, which was causing an issue, not just for people who are informal, but for people who are formal, is that we were having tax increases every year. So even some of the formal people were operating in an informal way because of the tax issue. With this issue of no new taxes, it allows businesses to plan better. It says to people, hey, I'm inviting you into the formal system, right? Because you don't have to worry now that every year a tax package is going to hit you. Since we have had the no new taxes coming on, the economy has actually been doing better, right? And a lot of people wouldn't have thought so before, right? But with the fiscal responsibility in terms of management that's happening, with the fact that there are no new taxes, the economy is actually growing. For the first time in a very long time, as far as I can remember, we're close to full employment, So that is the benefit of it. So it's a new way of thinking. I think that has worked. And I think that with the advent of no new taxes being put on, with the financial system being worked on, with more laws coming into place, that we're going to see a reduction of people in the informal economy.
And so what do you think about no new taxes?
No new tax, that's very good. That too is very good, because most of the tax that them collect, the people them, it's like a tax them I work for. So no new tax collecting is very good. It's a very good move.
The way the economic situation is right now, it's probably a good move. It's a good move for now, yes.
Thanks for your views, and thanks, Dennis Chung. And that's it for OPM Connect this week. For more information on what the government is doing to impact your life, remember to follow the OPM and the Prime Minister on all socials at Andrew Holness JM and on YouTube at Andrew Michael Holness /JM. And look out for OPM Connect on your favorite station and online. Catch you next week, and stay safe.